Hi everyone, in this video I'll teach you how to edit an image in Google Docs. Start by uploading your image and then clicking on it. And now you get a little bar up here that says image options. And right here, in this option that says recolor, you have a few different options to edit the color of your image itself. So let's say we want to make it black and white. Or you can go down to adjustments. I'm just going to undo this just for the sake of this video. Go down to adjustments and you can make it kind of see-through. So if you wanted to make this as like a background on your Google Docs, then you can simply do this and you can click behind text. Or you can go down to the position here and now you can click fix position and page. And if you want this to be the background, you can simply drag the picture as you'd like. So like this, for example. um let's say it's a CV. um and yeah, if we just continue to do some adjustments right here, then you can lower the brightness, increase it depending on what you like, and the contrast that makes it who makes the colors stand out a bit more. And that is basically how you do some image editing in Google Docs itself. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.